Hey guys. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Hey boy. Oh yeah. Beautiful day. Alright, you're gonna stay though, Pooch. Alright guys. Welcome back to the studio. Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing, and today is wrap-up day, guys. We are going to drive on down to Calgary City Cycle. We are going to see the Warhawk project all assembled. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I've seen pictures, but I still haven't got to see the whole thing. Alright, guys. I'm just going to grab a bit of my gear here. Say bye to the Pooch. You can't see him. The light's too bright. He's there. He's there. Later, doggy. Alright, guys. I don't need a jacket today. It is beautiful out. But I do need some H2O. Need the trusty Bible. Trusty Bible. This is where I do all my information from all my projects, clients. I've got some stickers in there to give away to the amazing dudes at the shop. Some of my steampunk builds. That's my proton pack for my Ghostbuster steampunk costume. Yeah, I'm into that stuff too. Say bye to the studio, guys. We are out the door. And there she is. The Beast. 35-inch shoes and all. Oh yeah, my pride and joy. The Beast. The Rock. The Raven of Chaos. Oh yeah, chaotic apocalypse awaiting. We're ready. We are ready to roll. Alright guys, let me lock up here and we will get this show on the road. From one door to the next. Clearly you guys don't know. There's the website. Check her out. And we are going to get this traveling billboard on the road. Traveling billboard, you say? I'm in the mood to show off. Let's do a little more. Yep. Check it out. So people know I'm coming. Actually, they just see me going. Alright guys. Traveling billboard. Let's fire up this beast. I know a lot of you guys are wondering what a dude like me would roll behind. Oh yeah. Let's do a purr. Alright guys, I'm gonna tuck you away. We're gonna drive on down to the shop and see what is in store. Alright. Sit tight. We'll get there. We'll get there right in my beautiful 1995 Chevy Tahoe 2-door. Very rare. You just don't see a lot of these guys anymore. And you definitely don't see these with the spikes up and down the hood and roof. And guys, you gotta stand out in the crowd. It's what I'm all about. Let's do this thing. Yeah. Alright guys, we are here, Calgary Cycle City. Yeah, there's the customer. He's just rolling in his big black truck. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go on in, say hello to the boys and gals. Oh yeah, guys, check it out. So these boys pretty much specialize in, you name it, they can get her done. Nice little local shop in the city here, guys. Totally good peeps. Here's one of them now, working hard. We won't bother them, let them do their job, and let's go see the Warhawk. Oh, we can hear her firing up right now, guys. Oh yeah. There she be. Sounds good, don't it, guys? Oh yeah. Look at her rumble. So what do we figure? We got a happy customer?
100% happy.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Dials all dialed in. Camera never does this justice. There she is, guys. Sexy as all hell. Would you believe these vents aren't real? These three are.
All the others?
Fake.
And I bet you'd never know if I didn't tell you. Alright guys, I know I didn't record this one for the channel, but I will slap in some process pictures at the end of this video on the drive home for those of you who are interested. Check that out.
Well, thanks for showing off your bike, bro.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
Look at that, all loaded up with speeding bullets and faster than a locomotive.
What do you guys think? Oh man, one happy customer, and this is one happy artist, let me tell you. Alright guys, long trip back home. I hope you enjoyed the show. We'll do a little wrap up when we get back to the studio. But for now,
let's get back to the lid. So first thing I did was a center line in white, guys. That maps it out for me. Then we did the stars. Next was the vents, just with darks, guys, using a lot of stencil work to get that screen look on the inside by using a screen. And then I did a yellow stripe and then black over top, guys, and we finalize it with a matte clear. Rock on. And for all of you young pups out there, yeah, this is how all of us old dogs shuffle through our music. One CD at a time. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you learned something. And if not, guys, CD stands for compact disc. One step above Laserdisc. One step above records. I'm pretty sure cassette tapes and 8-tracks are in there somewhere. But, guys, that's your lesson for today. Some old school rock and roll.
Alright, guys, and we are back.
Yeah. She treats me well.
Alright, open up the studio. Sorry about the extreme close-up. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know a lot of you guys, like me, were looking forward to seeing this all assembled. I hope you dig it. I know I do. Alright, guys, and with that being said, hit me up with your comments. Let me know. I want to know what's going through those brains of yours, guys. Tell me what you think. And that's a wrap. That will be this bike. I might do some further videos going on down the road. I know this bike is going to be at a few shows, so we might get into that a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how it goes. But guys, as always, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers.
And be sure to check out all my other videos, guys. We got airbrushing hacks and beginner tutorials, and guys, a lot of projects I'm working on coming on down the line. Be sure to check those out as well, guys. Cheers.